There are many advantages to starting your own food cart business. The key reasons to start a mobile food cart business are low startup cost, ability to be your own boss, flexibility to work when and where you want, less risky than opening up a restaurant, and profitable business. So if you want to start a food cart business, you can watch this full video. The first step is market research. While you do market research, you need to ask yourself the following questions. Where will you set up your food cart business? When will you open to ensure the best business? How will the weather affect your business? Who are your customers? What is their demographics? Is there any competitions? And what do they offer? Step 2, you should have a good concept. The concept should always match the product you are selling. So if the product is Italian, everything should be Italian themed. If the product is Indian, the concept should be Indian themed. Step 3, get a good starting location. This is one of the single most important factors of a food cart business. Make sure that the site is very noticeable with very high foot traffic. Step 4, design your cart to get more customers. Having a good storefront is very important for any startups. Ask yourself, how will I distinguish myself from competitions? To do this, you will probably need to hire a good designer and architect to get a good idea. Step 5, secure all necessary permits before starting your food cart. Before the first day of operation, make sure to register your business and get business permits from your local government. This will save you the basic of processing and make your business success. Step 6, focus on the foods. Even if the concept is good but the food quality is bad, people will just avail at the start to take out, but they don't come back again. So you have to make sure that you have regular food, and fresh foods will ensure the long-term possibility of the business. Step 7, be tactical with pricing. Sell at a price to make reasonable profits. There is no straightforward formula you can follow when it comes to pricing. Make sure that you are at par with competitors. Running and food cart business can be challenging, and it can take a good amount of planning in order to succeed. So never rush into starting one to avoid costly mistakes along the way. Thanks for watching. I'll be glad if you like the video and give me some idea on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.